Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're all doing great. So today I'm back with a different, same and different tutorial, which is the corner to corner granny square. In the previous one I showed you how to make the one with the chain one spaces, which looks a bit larger and the gaps are bigger than the one I'm gonna show you today. So in the previous one we did the chain one between every chain 3 double crochet or clusters, which makes the gaps bigger. But my favorite is when you don't have to chain one between the spaces. So I'm gonna show you how to make this one and get the same look but a prettier one. I prefer when the gaps are way smaller than the normal one. If you wanna see how to make this one, stay tuned for the rest of the video. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Okay. I'm gonna start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 4. So the chain 4 is 3 chains for the initial double crochet, and the 4th chain is where we're gonna work all the double crochet. So I'm gonna make total of 4 double crochets. 3 are gonna be the first cluster of the corner to corner granny square, and the 4th one is considered a space between the cluster and the double crochet where we're gonna work the next double crochet for the next row. You'll understand once we go further. So I've got chain 3 double crochet and another double crochet. I'm gonna chain 3, and between this double crochet, the previous one and the next one, I'm gonna work 3 double crochet. And without any space or chain 1, I'm gonna go into the last space between the chain 3 and the 3 double crochet and work another 3 double crochet. And I'm gonna add 1 more double crochet, so total of 4. Just to remember that 3 double crochet is our cluster for granny square, and the extra double crochet is where we're gonna work inside the space the next 3 double crochet. So chain 3, and in that space we created 3 double crochet. In the next space between the clusters, 3 double crochet. And in the last space after the 3 double crochet, again 3 double crochet. Oops. And we add the last double crochet for the purpose of working the next row. We're gonna continue the same exact way. Chain 3, in that space 3 double crochet, in the next space 3 double crochet, in the next space 3 double crochet, and in the last space 3 double crochet. I'll add 2 more rows so I can show you later on how we're gonna turn it into a granny corner to corner granny square, and I will not forget to add 1 more double crochet, so total of 4 over here. And here I'm at the end of the row again, and my last cluster, 3 double crochet. So in the next row I'm gonna start the decrease, so I'm not gonna add 1 more double crochet. I'm gonna straight go with a chain 3 and turn. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet straight into the next space. And I'm gonna work a double crochet in each and every space. And the last space. And here in the last chain 3 space, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet. So this is my first row of decrease. I'm gonna continue the same. I'm gonna chain 3 and turn. So here I've got a space. I'm gonna work nothing into this space. I'm gonna go straight onto these spaces. So the beginning spaces of each row will not be worked. They will be left empty. 3 double crochet. And a double crochet in the last space, like so. It's even smaller, and we continue. Chain 3, and again in this space I will work nothing. I will work 1, 2, 3 double crochet in those 3 spaces, and a double crochet in this last space, 1 double crochet. So I'm gonna continue the same way till I'm left with 1 cluster. And a double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the next space, and 3 double crochet in the next space. And a double crochet in the last space. So now I'm left with only 1 space to work. Chain 3, See another difference? We chain 3 instead of chaining 4. So 3 double crochet, and double crochet in the last space, and we finish with chain 3 and a double crochet in this space, and you fasten off. And this is how you get the C2C granny square without big gaps. So this is how you get it. Voila. So this is the corner to corner granny square with smaller gaps, different than the one with a chain 4 and chain 1 between the spaces, similar to this one. I prefer this one rather than the big spaces. It looks neater and better for me. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comment section if you like the tutorial. I hope you'll try to make your own. It's a very pretty pattern, corner to corner granny square for the lovers of granny square, of course, and we are many. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care, bye bye.